Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bloomington, local and long distance movers near me. When a distance crosses 50 miles, you can call that distance a long distance. So if you're moving to a place that's 50 miles away, you're moving a long distance. Whether you're moving within your locality or state or moving out of the state, you can contact our moving services. Our certifications and registrations with regulatory bodies and government are all intact. Therefore, the needed authorities are aware of our business model. Aside from helping you move your luggage, we care about the safety of the baggage, which is why we have an insurance policy that protects the value of your belongings. The insurance policy is just an off chance if something goes wrong. We have the best drivers around the country, so your belongings are in safe hands. When it comes to our pricing, we have the most pocket-friendly prices you can get. Usually, relocating within your locality is cheaper than relocating within distances. Our prices for local moves are even more affordable than you think, as we only charge between $30 and $40 per hour. When you contact us for your local relocation, we go through anything in any situation to ensure you get the highest value possible. Discovering a new location has never been a problem for us, so you can trust us to get your belongings to you in no time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bloomington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.